When technological innovation meets human passion, history is created. Meet the Shah brothers. Forward-thinking perspective, customer-centric attitude, impressive business acumen, and zeal to win over the world. They are the leaders of Bhavya Machine Tools. Solution with difference. Our saga began in 1971 when our founders started a humble business in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Eventually, the futuristic vision, relentless determination, and inspiring passion of our leaders took Bhavya Machine Tools to the pinnacle of success. Today, we are an ISO 9001, 2015 and CE certified company with a lavish corporate office on SG Highway, showrooms in various locations of Ahmedabad and international branches in Kenya and UAE. We are the market leader in the tool room and engineering workshop machinery in India. What puts us at the top of our business is the massive size of our product portfolio, which consists of lathe machines, drilling machines, milling machines, grinding machines, resharpening machines, metal cutting bandsaws, sheet metal machines, and many others. That are used in various industries including workshop or tool room, sheet metal fabrication, oil and gas, packaging, electrical, die mold manufacturer, defense and aerospace, textiles, pharmaceutical and general engineering. At Bhavya, we also provide customized technical solutions to fit your requirements of production volume, machining process and budget. All our products are the best in quality as we follow the European standards. A team of talented employees is always keen to serve the customer in the best possible way. Their ideas, efforts and commitment to the company has made us what we are today. They are the superstars of our success story. At Bhavya, it is a constant endeavor to bring emerging technology to India. Being innovative is the business mantra we always follow. That is why we have participated in all the major exhibitions across India as well as Gulf countries. Participating in exhibitions keeps us updated on latest technology and tools across globe and how to bring them to India. Serving industry worldwide with our robust, cutting-edge, high-performing machinery is our ultimate goal. We feel immensely proud to state that our showroom in Changodar is spread across a 150,000 square feet area and it is the largest display of machinery across India. It's like organizing a 365-day exhibition that features more than 1,000 machines at all times for our customers. Here, they can check out our vast product range and also buy them on the spot. We are a one-stop solution for any engineering organization, no matter what the type or size of your business is, we have a product for you. In case we get an inquiry and we do not have the required machinery, we immediately set up a team to study if the specific type of tool can be procured. As a result, our product portfolio is ever expanding, and this work philosophy has earned Bhavya its name. In this journey of more than 5 decades, we have acquired many of the most respected and successful names in engineering organizations, colleges, and government agencies as our client. After conquering the domestic market, we have spread our wings in international markets by exporting our products to numerous countries in the Middle East, Africa, Asia Pacific, Europe, the South American region, and the North American region. As an acknowledgement to our efforts of bringing world-class technology to India and following the path of excellence, we have been honored with many awards over the years. With Bhavya Machine Tools comes decades of experience, enormous product range, best in industry quality, reasonable prices, fast delivery, and immediate customer support. It is a name you can always count on. Think high performance machines. Think Bhavya.